Hi guys, happy new year guys, happy 2024. How are you doing? I'm just hoping that you guys are doing well wherever you are. I've missed you so much. Hey, can't remember the last time I posted a video, but guys, I'm back. Yeah, so guys, today we're starting this year with doing a messy bun or hashtag hairstyle for relaxed hair number one. Yes guys, that's what we're gonna do today. And without wasting a lot of time guys, my name is Hadassa Amina and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel and let's start this video. Yes guys, so I hope that you won't mind my voice. I've been having a very bad flu, so it kind of affected my voice, but I'm just hoping that you can hear me clearly. So what I'm gonna need is this. This is a weave. I've never plaited this weave, but I've been using it as a hair extension. So I'll be using two bundle of this weave, and then I'll be using pins and two hair bud. So this is the first hair bud, and then this is the second hair bud guys. Yes, so my hair is well combed already. So what I want to do is to add an extension, you know. Yeah, I want a messy a messy bun. Yeah, so let me do it like that. Yeah, and now it's around this one. Yeah, so after that I'll be taking my first bundle. It's very easy guys, a very simple hairstyle. So first I'll be tying these around, and then after that I go around. I want a bun with volume, so let's take another bundle. Now for this one I'm gonna fold it into two. I'm gonna fold it, yeah, so that I will acquire the volume very fast. Then I'll be taking this end like that to secure here, and then yes, so that volume is okay. So now we take my hair bun and then I do it like this. Okay, pull it and pull it a little. Like that. So I'll be using my pins.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it.
And guys, we cannot forget to lay our edges. So this is the simplest method to lay your edges, you know. Yeah, you don't want to take a lot of time doing your edges. Just take that portion and that portion. Then my gel for laying my edges is this one. Take a bit of it, small amount of it, and then we're done. It's very simple, a very simple thing to do. And here we have a messy bun, and let's trim here a little. Yes guys, that was it from me today. See you in the next video, and bye bye. I love you so much guys.